Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the replace video effect to your clip in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm just going to add the right. I'm just going to select the image, just add to the track and go to effect. Select distortion if you want to replace the right, add to the track, and as you can see for the final result like this. You can also add the sound effect according to the video effect. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and you can check all of our videos in our YouTube channel.